Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to show different prices to different customers in Odoo. So to do that on this platform you use price lists. So the price lists allow you to assign custom pricing based on customers, groups, quantities, countries, or websites. So actually guys, first you will need just to open the sales app here, and then just go with configuration at the top here, and settings, first option, and here under the pricing section you will need to enable price lists. Okay, so then just go ahead and click on save changes or save at the top left corner. And now guys, you will need to create the customer specific price lists. So you will need to go with the products option at the top here and then go with the price lists. And now you will need to click on new, and here where you can create it. So for example, you will go with add a line, and here you will need to give it a name first. So yeah, give it a name and then add line, and then just go with apply to products category, which products, for example, if it, and the price type, discount, fixed price, etc. Go, for example, if you want to go with fixed price, you will enter it here, discounts per percent here on the sales price, right? And also you can go with the minimum quantity and validity, okay? And then go with save and close. And once created, you will need to add the pricing rules. So inside each price lists, add rules. So once finished, go with save here, right? So let's give it a name, for example, save, and then go back from here, go back to the sales app, and here where you can find your customers. Okay, so you will need to open the customer and enter the sales and purchase. You will need to set the price list. Okay, so for example, John customer, you will give it retail prices. A company EBC, for example, will sell prices, and then go with save. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.